Hi everyone, we're the Research Nutties and we are here to present our research project to you. Our research project is called Grocery Stores, Farmers Markets, and the Obesity Rate in the United States. We all know obesity is a serious problem in our country, and we wanted to look at possible causes of that epidemic that we have. We looked for research, we looked at different studies that were done with farmers markets and obesity, advertising and obesity, food deserts and obesity, and grocery stores and obesity. So for our project, we chose to focus on farmers market, people who shop at farmers markets, and look at their obesity rates, as well as people who live in food deserts. And a food desert is an area that is 10 miles or more away from a grocery store. And also for the purpose of our data collection, we also added people that answered the survey question that they purchased less than 74% of their food at a grocery store. That was a food desert category. So we had two objectives for our study. We wanted to show that living in a food desert will increase a person's likelihood of becoming obese. And also we wanted to show that people who shop at a farmer's market frequently would be less likely to become obese.
Okay, and with our methods, we create a survey through Qualitrix and then distribute it over Facebook to our friends. And over 10 days of surveying people, we received 149 completed surveys. So we took this data, and on an Excel spreadsheet, we were able to find out that out of the 40% participants who lived in a food desert, 13% had a BMI in the overweight or obese category. And out of the 40 who shopped in farmers markets, had a 48% of a BMI that was either normal or healthy. And so we ran a chi-square test to find out for each of our objectives and find out the results. And down here are results, which are for our first one, the p-value was 0.64, and this is not significant, so we failed to reject the null. And our second objective, the p-value was also 0.64, and this is, again, not significant, so we failed to reject the null. For those of you who are curious, this is our table that we created to help organize and show our data. And down here, we have concluded that living in a food desert does not make people obese, and shopping at a farmer's market does not make you healthy. But we would like to have more information, and we would like to have another study done to either confirm or reject our findings. And down here, as you can see, we have our works cited page.
All right.